My dear friends and well-wishers, welcome to my tour post platform. Today I am going to represent the most popular tourism site and the unbroken longest natural sea beach of the world, and it's Cox's Bazar that lies southeastern part of Bangladesh. So keep watching the video till the end and give your constructive opinion that will inspire me to create new videos. Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar is a city, fishing port, tourism center, and the headquarters of the Cox's Bazar district and Cox's Bazar Sodor Upazila in southeastern Bangladesh. The city has a population of about 1,96,000. Cox's Bazar Beach is a major tourist attraction. It's the longest sea beach in the world. It's about 120 kilometers. It's about 120 kilometers long. Cox's Bazar derives its name from Captain Hiram Cox, an officer of the British East India Company and superintendent of Palanki outpost. To commemorate his role in refugee rehabilitation work, a market was established and named after him. Cox's Bazar is also known by the name Panwa, which translates literally as yellow flower, and old name was Palanki. History. During the early 19th century, the Greater Chittagong area, including Cox's Bazar, was under the rule of Arakan king until its conquest by the Mughal in 1666. When the Mughal prince Shah Shuja was passing through the hilly terrain of the present-day Cox's Bazar on his way to Arakan, he was attracted to its scenic and captivating beauty. He commanded his forces to camp there. His retinue of 1,000 palanquins stopped there for some time. A place named Dulahazra, meaning 1,000 palanquins, still exists in the area. After Mughals, the place came under control of Tifras and Arakanis, followed by the Portuguese and then the British. Cox's Bazar is located 150 kilometers or 93 miles south of the divisional headquarters city of Chittagong. Cox's Bazar town has an area of 6.85 square kilometers or 2.64 square mile and is bounded by Bakkhali River on the north and east, Bay of Bengal in the west, and Jilwan Union in the south. The beach in Cox's Bazar has a gentle slope and with a length of 120 kilometers or 75 miles and is one of the longest natural sea beaches of the Southeast Asia. Cox's Bazar lies on a coastal plain in the southeastern corner of Bangladesh. From the above, the plain appears to bulge out into the Bay of Bengal. Along the shore is an extensive area of beach and dunes. Most of the city is built on the floodplain that is lower in elevation than the dunes, making it more susceptible to flooding due to cyclone and storm surge. The Cox's Bazar coastal plain was formed after the sea reached its present level ground 6,500 years ago. with the area of the current floodplain originally forming a sediment sink that has since been gradually filled in by the Baghkhali river as well as the smaller stream coming down from the hills. The climate of Bangladesh is mostly determined by its location in the tropical monsoon climate region. High temperature, heavy rainfall, and generally excessive humidity with distinct seasonal variations. The climate of Cox's Bazar is mostly similar to the rest of the country, but with an even wetter southwest monsoon season due to its coastal location. The annual average temperature in Cox's Bazar is a maximum of 30.1 Celsius or 86.2 Fahrenheit and a minimum of 22.0 degrees Celsius or 71.6 Fahrenheit. The average annual rainfall is 3,524 millimeters. Communication. The N110 is the national highway that connects the city with the capital and the largest city Dhaka as well as with many other parts of the country. Traveling by bus to Cox's Bazar from Dhaka generally takes about 9 to 12 hours depending on the traffic. The city of Cox's Bazar is served by Cox's Bazar International Airport located northwest of the city. It is one of 4 Bangladesh international airports. The main airlines serving the airport are Biman Bangladesh Airlines, US Bangla Airlines and Novo Air. The Cox's Bazar railway station is the main railway station of the district, providing trains on the Chittagong-Cox's Bazar line operated by the state-run Bangladesh Railway. This station also provides trains that run from Dhaka, such as the Cox's Bazar Express. On 11 November 2023, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina inaugurated the Cox's Bazar railway station. The station was opened to the public on 1st December 2023. Economy. The major economic activity in Cox's Bazar is tourism. A number of hotels, guest houses and motels have been built in the city and coastal region, and many people are involved in the service industry. Cox's Bazar Beach. The beach in Cox's Bazar is the main attraction of the town with an unbroken length of 120 kilometers, also termed the longest natural unbroken sea beach in the world. Other attraction, Himsari National Park. Himsari is located just south of the Cox's Bazar town. It consists of loose tropical rainforest, grassland and trees, and features a number of waterfalls, the biggest of which cascade down towards the sandy, sun-drenched beach. The national park was established in 1980 by the government of Bangladesh as a conservation area for research, education and recreation. Once it was the stomping ground of herds of Asian elephants. It is still home to a limited number of these mammals. Agmeda Khyang, a large Buddhist monastery and a place reserved by around 4 lakh Buddhist people of Cox's Bazar and Chittagong hill tracts. The main sanctuary is posted on a series of round timber columns. It has a prayer chamber and assembly hall, along with a repository of large and small bronze Buddhist images and a number of old manuscripts. Ramu. Ramu is about 10 kilometers from Coxbazar. Is a village with a sizable Buddhist population. The village sells handicrafts and homemade cigars. There are monasteries here and pagodas containing images of Buddhists in bronze, gold, and other metals with precious stones. One of the temples on the bank of the Baghkhali River houses relics and Burmese handicrafts and also a large bronze statue of Buddha measuring 13 feet high, which rests on a 6 feet high pedestal. Weavers ply their trade in open workshop and craftsmen make handmade cigars in their pagoda-like houses. Dula Hazra Safari Park. Dula Hazra Safari Park is the first safari park in Bangladesh. It was developed on an undulating landscape covering approximately 2,224 acres in Chakoria Upazila, Coxbazar district. The forest is characterized by tropical evergreen vegetation, rich in gurjon, boilam, telshur, chapalish, along with various herbs, shrubs, and peppers. The safari park is a designated protected area where animals are kept in a spacious environment that mimics their natural habitat. Visitors can easily observe the animals during the visit, whether by bus, jeep, or on foot. The park was established based on a South Asian model and served as extension of an animal sanctuary located along the Chittagong-Coxbazar road, about 50 kilometers from Coxbazar town. The sanctuary itself protects a significant number of wild elephants native to area. Within the safari park, domesticated elephants are available for rides. Other animals attraction includes lion, Bengal tigers, crocodiles, bears, cheetahs, and a variety of birds and monkeys. The only aquarium in Bangladesh is in Coxbazar. Attraction also include parasailing, water biking, beach biking, horse riding, Cox Carnival, circus show, Dorianagar Eco Park, numerous architectural attractions, Shishu Park, and numerous photogenic sites. The largest safari park in the country, Dula Hazra Safari Park, is nearby. There is a forest reserve, Naf Tourism Park, which also has a cable car plant. So dear friends, no more today. Hope to see you again with another video in the next time. Till then, stay well. All the best. Thank you again for watching the video. Bye.